Hey y'all, come on in. Let's make some roasted butternut squash. I already taught you how to cook it on the last video. So what I like to add to my butternut squash, olive oil. I also like to add butter. I like the mix of olive oil and butter because the olive oil coats it real nicely, but then the butter gives it a real nice flavor. Some salt and pepper. Okay, now let's mix it together. There's a lot of herbs that taste good with butternut squash. Thyme, dried oregano, parsley would probably taste good. Haven't decided if I'm adding any to mine tonight. Okay, I went to the spice drawer and thyme it is. Not gonna add a lot, just a little bit. This is for our friends tonight. I said I'm not adding a lot, but it's not as much as it looks like it is. Very excited to have friends come over. One thing that's nice about butternut squash, roasting it, is you can prepare it ahead of time. So then if you need to run to go grab the kids or whatever, you've already got everything prepared and it can bake, sit in the oven, and it just caramelizes. It's wonderful. I had planned on adding 2 onions, but one was bad in the inside. So 1 onion it is. That's how I cook. All right, let's give that a stir. You can roast them on a baking sheet or a baking dish. I like the baking sheet because it has more exposure to air. The sides of the baking dish are higher, so I usually use a baking sheet. Spread it out evenly. Into the oven they go.